everyone, I wanted to do a quick little video about some fun things that Norwex has. I think a lot of people just think of Norwex as like those cleaning rags, which, you know, we're the cleaning cloths, the incredible microfiber that's 1/200th of a human hair and has all the silver technology in every bit of it, and that's what stops the bacteria from growing once you've mechanically cleaned it off of your surfaces. But we are so much more than that. Amazing skincare, all kinds of things for your pets, for your home, for your family, for cleaning. It's amazing. So tonight I am going to challenge you, if you're a Norwex consultant or you already own these, you know, don't spoil it. I just want to see if people are gonna take a wild guess as to what this product is. And so I'm just going to show you that one. That's a fun, amazing product that Norwex has. And then this also is the second thing that we have that, again, maybe people don't know that we have. So I'd like you to take a wild guess at what those two things are. And then I'm going to show you a fun little tip tonight, because I had a couple of friends buy these, and a lot of us don't have a straight you know, I don't know, hook or whatever to put our hand towels on. And sometimes too, like you have a hand towel, like if it's coming into spring or whatever, and you don't want this motif to show, there's a way to do it, to hang your fluffy chenille hand towel up so that you don't show that motif. You can hide it, but still be able to enjoy your hand towels. And so all of my things that I have at my house, I mean, obviously I'm not in my bathroom, but like they're bars that come out of the wall, right? And so there's no way to slip something on. Some people have the ones that are shaped like this, so they can just slip it on, you know, like this. And that's all well and good until you have something attached to your wall and then you want to attach it. So I want to give you a quick little tutorial on how to do that and how to hide the thing as well. Okay, so we're going to pretend that this is attached to the wall. You know, obviously it's not, but anyway, basically what you're going to do is put that over your bar. And then what you have to do is you have to feed the towel through the piece of fabric on the back. And of course, I'm going to struggle while I'm doing this. Anyway, it is attached to your wall, but you just kind of feed that through, and it takes a couple of minutes of wiggling because there's a lot of fabric, obviously. It's easier to do when the thing's stuck to your wall, actually, because it doesn't move like this one is. Okay, the fun of doing videos. Okay, there we go. We got it through. Okay, and then see, once you get it all the way through, this would be the back side, the wall side. Okay, and then that would be the front side where it's hanging. Okay, so you've done it backwards, and that way you hide that little wintry or whatever motif that's there, but you still have it to use. And so that's a fun little tip for your Norwex today, guys. All right, hope you have a good one. Bye.